Damn, it's cold out here in Florida. I'm in my Florida gear right now. All geared out. That doesn't matter. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to change the oil on the 370Z. But first, I gotta change. Hello everyone and welcome to 2018. Happy New Year. I hope everybody enjoyed their holidays. I sure did, and I'm totally ready to take on 2018 on YouTube. On New Year's Day 2017, I hit 1,000 subscribers. Fuck yeah. So I'm really happy about that. Thank you to everyone. And a giveaway is gonna be coming out soon. I'm gonna try to set it up. I'm gonna try to figure out how I can do it. But stay tuned for that. Giveaway's coming out. Be ready. Alright guys, so first things first, I like to gather my materials up. You're gonna need some jack stands. You need an oil pan to catch the oil. I don't really use gloves, but I'm gonna try it today. You need a full jug of oil. I like Mobile One, it's like my second favorite, but I prefer Redline synthetic. You're gonna need about a half of this quart right here. You're gonna need an oil filter and a crush washer. So now I got the car on jack stands, and I always have a wheel to land on the subframe in case of the jack stand failing. These are 4-ton jack stands, but you never know. Always safety first. Got my safety cones on the street, and I'm ready to work. Alright guys, so now we're live from under the car, and most people will tell you to remove this entire plastic cover here. It's like 16 plus bolts or some shit. It's a lot of 10mm bolts, but the easy way you could do is towards the back of it where the oil pan is hiding. You can remove 4 of these 10mm bolts, fold this down, and now you have easy access to your oil pan and your oil filter. And for future reference, when you guys are lifting up your cars, this is gonna be your main jacking point. Like that, you can lift up the whole front end with this. You'll be able to put 2 jack stands at once. Silver nipple, never black plastic. We're gonna start by finding out what size this is. This is a 14mm, but this is an aftermarket magnetic oil drain plug. I'm not sure what the OEM one should be, but it might just be a 14mm. Oh yeah, look at that nasty stuff. And we'll be back after a sponsored message.
We get a 1, personal space. 2, personal space. 3, stay out of my personal space. 4, keep away from my personal space.
So as my oil is draining, I went ahead and changed my crush washer. This is the new one. Very important, you gotta change these out. If you don't change them, you're gonna have an oil leak, and then you're gonna hate me. This nasty KY jelly oil up in here is done. We're gonna get my magnetic oil drain plug, and if I could just find the hole. Where's the hole? Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh! Alright, got it. You see? It's always the tricky the first time. Now that it's on there, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it. No gorillas up in here. Alright, just a little bit. A little bit more. That's good, solid. So I had this oil filter stuck a little bit. This is a K&N, so it has a nut on the end of it, 25mm. So if you have this, it's good to have it. So we're gonna kill it. This is the old one. Let the oil leak out. Nice. Oil filters are messy, so if you do this on your driveway, it's just covering it up a little bit with some cardboard or something. Maybe get like a zebra carpet, you know, dress up the place. All right, so we're also gonna fill the oil filter a little bit with oil. I'm gonna move it around a little bit. I'm gonna use the same oil to lubricate around the rim. Now we're gonna install the new oil filter, and you only want to do it hand tight. You don't really want to over tighten this because it can get stuck, and then you're gonna have a bad time. I know the saying, if you want to be a monkey, be a gorilla, but not here. You don't want to be a gorilla here, all right? So we're done here. So I'm gonna close this up with the plastic piece, put the 10mm bolts back. Big jug, and then proceed to pour it all over your engine like that one commercial with the girl in the BMW. No, just kidding. That's 17 cents worth of Kool-Aid.
That's 49 cents of spilt milk dripping all over my table. Somebody gonna drink this milk.
And you want to make sure that it's in between the 2 dots, which it is. I'll probably give it a little bit more. We should be done. I'm also gonna show you guys how to get rid of this maintenance light while we're at it. So you go to info, and then you're gonna go down to maintenance. I already did it to engine, oil, filter, and tire, but I have this last reminder that you can see it's, you know, it's already red where it has some miles on it. So I'm gonna select it, and then we're gonna go down to reset distance. We reset it, and then we go back, and it's pretty much set up. See, they're all reset. I restart the car, and bam, no more maintenance lights. Well, this is gonna be the end of today's video. Gotta say thank you for watching. If you learned something, that's great. If you didn't, just came to hang out, awesome. Really appreciate all the viewers that come to watch. You're greatly appreciated. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.